Hey guys, this is Wendy from nitrolicious.com and I'm back with another beauty tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to fix a broken nail at home with a tea bag. Here are the products you will need. First, you want to cut the top off the tea bag and pour out all the tea inside. Then cut to flatten tea bag and cut a small piece of tea bag to fit the size of the break. When you have long nails, you tend to bump and crack your nails very often. I'm sure some of you guys can relate to this. I had a major mishap and slammed my left pointer finger on the bed and the entire nail broke off. Now glue the broken nail back and make sure it fits where it broke off. Hold for a few seconds to secure. Add more glue on top of the break and use a tweezer to pick up the pre-cut tea bag and place it on top of the nail. Use the tweezer to push down lightly to secure the tea bag on a nail and glue. It will become pretty much invisible once it bonds. Lightly buff off the extra tea bag that's sticking out on the corners or on top. If you're using regular polish, just use base coat and let dry. But if you're like me and using gel polish, apply pH bond to dehydrate the nails. Then apply base gel polish and cure with LED lamp. Next, apply gel polish color or nail polish strip to the nail and buff to remove extra polish. Apply gel polish top coat and cure an LED lamp. Last step is to use the alcohol swabs or alcohol with cotton pad to remove the tackiness off the nail. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial video and check back soon for the next one.